Have you ever checked your engine oil and found it low, even though there's no oil spot under your car? It's a common issue that leaves many drivers wondering where the oil is going. In most cases, the oil isn't leaking out. It's likely being burned inside the engine. One of the most common causes is worn valve stem seals. These seals keep oil from slipping into the combustion chamber. As they age, they can harden and crack, allowing small amounts of oil to enter the cylinders and burn during combustion. A telltale sign is a brief puff of blue smoke when starting the engine or accelerating after coasting. Another major culprit is worn piston rings. The oil control rings are designed to remove excess oil from the cylinder walls and return it to the oil pan. When these rings wear out or become stuck, oil can sneak past them and burn with the fuel. This often causes continuous oil consumption and may produce blue exhaust smoke, especially during acceleration. A faulty positive crankcase ventilation valve can also contribute to oil loss. The PCV system manages pressure inside the engine and routes crankcase gases back into the intake. If the valve becomes clogged or fails, it can pull excess oil mist into the intake system, where it gets burned. The good news is that this is often one of the easiest and least expensive problems to fix. If your vehicle is turbocharged, worn turbo seals may be the issue. Oil can leak past the turbocharger seals and enter either the intake or exhaust system, where it burns off. This can lead to blue smoke and a noticeable burning oil smell. The bottom line is simple. If your oil level keeps dropping and there are no visible leaks, your engine is likely consuming oil internally. Regularly checking your oil level is essential, and if consumption becomes excessive, a professional inspection can help identify the root cause before it turns into a costly repair. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more helpful car maintenance tips. Also, check the Amazon links I have shared in the description below for some useful tools that can help you with DIY car repair and maintenance. And let me know in the comments, have you ever dealt with an engine that burned oil without leaking? I'd love to hear your experience. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.